Hi Bay East family. I'm thinking of you and want to check in. Your safety and well-being is what's really important to us. Your Bay East Board of Directors and staff are keeping you up to date as new information becomes available. Our next virtual town hall meeting is Thursday, April the 9th, beginning at 10 a.m. Speakers will include CAR's Treasurer, Jennifer Branchini, Board Counsel, Tom Jacobson, Roya Chaudhry, our MLS Director, with some MLS updates for us, and of course our CEO Tricia Thomas will also be on the call. All presenters will have great information and insights to share with you. Please email any questions that you may have to do@bayeast.org. Please put Town Hall in the subject line. You can register for the Town Hall at the link provided here. I also want you to be aware there's another great resource to help you manage during this crisis. The CAR COVID Relief Hotline can help you access the relief programs available to realtors. They have plenty of staff on hand ready to help. The hotline phone number is area code 213-351-8450. And remember, agents, you should always be checking first with your broker for any real estate or transaction questions you may have. Finally, if you need to reach me directly, you can call me on my cell, area code 510-862-7000, or email me at president@bayeast.org. We care deeply about our members, and we are a resource for you during these challenging times. So please be safe, stay healthy, and thank you for all you are doing to help flatten the curve. Bye for now.